All right, guys, we have Kwame here doing a reverse fly. So we are positioning those hands in a bit of an angle, so really get that rear delt popping. So lifting that thumb up, and we are pressing out as we press that bar out. So pushing against it and really activating those rear delts. Nice big squeeze at the top, and then controlling it on the way back down. And you can see it right there, just working. So nice big squeeze and then controlled. It's really going to get that rear delt nice and firing. It's all about that control. We don't want to go too heavy here, guys. So you want to go nice and light, and you just want to feel it burn. You just want to keep it nice and controlled. Keep it under that tension by controlling it on the way down and on the way when you are pushing it out. Nice. There we go, guys. Give it a try and get those rear delts popping.